Hello, looking at another mechanical pencil today. This one is the sort of Kuroko. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the SP-P100, 9mm. It has no pocket clip. There's a blemish there. There's nothing. And I'm using the HB by them also, the Kuroko HB 9mm. It's triangular in shape, as you may be able to see in the video. Three-sided, making sure you understood what I meant by triangular. It's plastic, I'm guessing. The barrel has a texture to it I rather like, although it does attract particles, dust, and whatnot. But I do like the feel of it. It's all the way on the barrel. Plastic tip, maybe metal. The balance. Here's the balance, as you can see. Rattle. There's no rattle. Precision is pretty good. I don't have any problems with it. This piece doesn't pull out. There's no internal eraser. You just put the lead in that hole there. If you can see the hole. Yeah, there you go. There's no lead ID. It does have the size of the lead, at least. Like I said, no eraser. Its maintenance is, there's no real maintenance other than this comes out, as you can see. Sorry, let me do that again so you can see better. Just get an angle. Yeah, that comes out and then you push that in and it stays in. The fact that it doesn't have a clip, I kind of like that it doesn't have a pocket clip, but the main reason I say that is because I hold my pen like this, and many pocket clips will touch here on me, unless they're shorter clips. Some of the more drafter designed specific mechanical pens that are designed for drafters have a shorter clip. And that's good for me because when I'm turning the pencil, because that's how I was taught to, as I am drawing a line to turn the pencil, it will get it in the way and, well, mess up my straight lines. And they're not so straight after that. That's the only reason. I'm kind of like that it doesn't have a clip. Of course, it doesn't roll very well because of its triangular shape. But that's one of the reasons why some mechanical pencils will have the paper clips, not paper clips, pocket clips, so they don't roll off a desk, because a lot of, well, back in the day, well, still, drafting tables were kept at an angle, like well, it depends on the drafter, really, anywhere from like a 30-degree angle to like a 45-degree angle. Drafting tables, I mean. Alright, that's it on that part. Let me go ahead and demonstrate the lead on this one. ABCs. Then the numbers. Okay, get the lines. Squigglies. I do some lines to erase now. Alright. Put this here. Get the stick. Get the block eraser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it's smudged. Maybe not, you can't see it. But you can see here there's a slight smudge. But it erased. I mean, not the greatest. But I only did a few passes. But some other graphite erases easier than others. I will be having a video on all the different leads, 20 different leads, on more than a few different kinds of paper. I have some notebooks that I'm also going to be doing the graphite in. 20 different graphites and 3 different notepads. And I have a sketchbook, I have vellum, I have Bristol, smooth Bristol paper, many different papers that I'm going to be showing. Alright, well, that's it on that one. Thank you.